Laudiaann Silvers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited because I have actually reached my goal with my vidIQ. But first of all, I want to just welcome you, whoever is at my channel. If this is your brand new first time at my YouTube channel, go ahead, browse through my videos. I give business tips and tricks for you. I help you make money online. And I introduce you to my mentor, who is Wesley Virgin as well. He's in my videos as well. If you love my channel, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And that way you'll get fresh videos from me every day when the notification bell, right here, I'm going to show you the notification bell. When you see your notification bell up here, you'll get fresh videos from me, okay? I'm excited today because I want to share with you my views on my vidIQ. Alright, congratulations, you've achieved the 40,000 views. I'm so excited. I have actually reached this. It took me a while. I was in 30,000 for a long time, and finally made 40,000 views. And it really is a lot of work. It takes time to grow your vidIQ, your YouTube channel, as a matter of fact. So let me go back to my YouTube channel. Alright, if this is your first time here at my channel, browse through all my videos. I have over 200 videos, and I've started this channel only 4 months ago. And if you're brand new to Wesley Virgin monetization program, I'm so excited for you because you have made a great start, and you will get your channel monetized in a very short time, because it only takes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Be concerned of the 4,000 watch time hours. You got to participate in a buddy group every day with our YouTube ad program with Wesley Virgin. So if you want to get started with that, go to yeswedoitforyou.services, and it will take you to enroll in a free webinar. And the vice president is Ariella, and she can get you in that program. She will give you her phone number, and just contact her, and you can get started right away with us, okay? And to join our buddy group. All right, guys, I'm gonna go for now. I'm gonna upload some videos. I just wanted to share with you my status with my vidIQ. I do now have 40,000 views. And stay on top of things, everyone. Make your videos, be productive today, and I'll talk to you later. And don't forget, if you're brand new, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and your button, and that bell will show you my fresh new videos that I post every day. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye. Welcome everyone. This is Mindset Coach Laudiaann Silvers, here to make another video for you all. I'm actually going to show you guys how I get more views, how I have people to stay on my channel. If you ever notice, my views have exploded, and I'm going to show you what's the secret. Okay, the secret is you have to go in every video you have. All right, I'm going to show you really quickly. Alright, I'll pick one of my videos. Alright, I'll pick my grandson's video. This one I just created. I uploaded this video off my phone. This past couple days we had a birthday party. My grandson Liam, right there. You see that little skinny kid over there? He just turned 3. And both of them are 3. Elijah and Liam. They're my grandsons. I keep looking at him. He's gonna make me dizzy. Let me just I'm gonna put this video on pause. This is how you're going to increase more traffic to your channel, get more views. Make sure every video you have, if you just started, it's the perfect time to do it. Now, if you have a lot of videos, it's going to take you longer to fix it. Believe me, guys, it's going to, because I had like, oh my gosh, I had like 90 videos, and I had to go on every video I had to, let me see, I have to go to edit. Make sure you press edit video. Every video I had to put 2 playlists. It's required from vidIQ, but 2 playlists actually will increase your traffic, your YouTube traffic channel. So I've already picked 2 playlists. Check, and click done. Okay. Always pick one end screen, which I've already picked one already. And then here you're gonna see element. You're gonna choose a video, playlist, or subscribe channel. And what I always do, I always choose video. So, and then I allow YouTube to pick out the best video for this video. And you actually can, oops, let me see. You can actually slide this. It won't go side to side, but it'll go up and down. I chose it to be up. So I'm gonna discard changes because I'm not gonna change that. All right, and then you're gonna go here. You gotta pick one card. So two playlists, one end screen, and one card. All right. Okay. Usually, right here, you're gonna look here. You're gonna pick the card you want: video, playlist, or channel. I always pick playlist. Okay. And when you choose one of your playlists, all right, it's gonna play your playlist. I don't know how many videos you have in your playlist, but if you have a lot, that's good, because that way people that come over to your channel are gonna stay longer on your channel, and that's what you need to have. You have to have them stay longer in your channel to get more views. Okay, so I picked one already, so when they click on here, then it's gonna take you to another tab, and they're gonna see all your playlists there. So that's already set. Okay. All right. And another tip. So make sure you guys, you got 2 playlists, one end screen, and one card on every one of your videos. All right. And another tip I want to share with you guys on this video, make sure every time, here's my card right here, it's already up there. So when you click on that, they're going to see a playlist. All right. Every video you create, always add a like. Okay. You be the first one to like your video. And then you're going to leave a comment. Okay. Now, what I did was I picked one of my videos. Okay, Wesley Meditates. So I copied the link. You can make it short. You can go to bit.ly and shorten it if you want. You can put a playlist link here too. Go to bit.ly and shorten it. You know, whatever, like online courses, and then you just put your playlist link here. Anything you want. Okay, it could be a product, a ClickBank product. You know, it could be anything. But see, if you click on here, it allows the people, whoever's watching your channel, it allows them to stay longer on your channel. And every video, see, if you have every video, if they all have a card, they might have a playlist. It just becomes a loop. Okay, it repeats itself. So, like here, I have one here. I don't know what it is. Make extra money. I think that's a product. That's not. They're not going to be clicked to in my YouTube channel. But you can use a ClickBank product. All right. On your comments. So if you're selling something, that's a good way to get people to your whatever you're selling. All right, guys. So those are the tips that I have shared with you guys. the vidIQ, check your channel audit. It shows you actually where the vidIQ actually help you get traffic to your channel, and it will tell you where you need it. Okay. Your title lengths are on average are good. Okay, your title length have to be 60. I'm gonna click on that. They all have to. Your title always have to have 20 to 60 characters. So every one of my characters, I had to go back on my channel. 50 to 60. All right. Oh, 61 is too long, so I gotta fix that. I didn't know that was. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go into it so you guys can show. So I can show you guys how I fix it. Okay. Go to my edit. Just gonna do something. Oh, there's a space. There's too much of a space here. So you can't have 61. You have to have 60. Okay, so that's saved. And little stuff like that I had to fix. So I go back to my channel audit. It should actually, let me see. Let that load. All right, let's see. Let's see if it fixed it. Okay, yes, it did. It fixed it, so I only have one more. Too long, so it has to be 20 to 60. It can't be more than 61. So let me just fix that one. That way I don't have to go back to it. Fix it. But that's how you guys always go to your channel audit, make your channel, fix it, okay? Because you want your channel to grow. Actually gonna just gonna move this. Oops, let me okay. All right, so that one's fixed. All right, all I had to do is just, that didn't work. Okay, go back. I just wanted 60. So I'm gonna save it. So make sure that's 60. Go back to my channel audit. All right, so I'm gonna go down. It should be fixed. Good, okay. So all should say great, okay. So it's fixed right there. Here it is, see right there. So let's get out of here and go back to my channel audit and go scroll down. I do have to fix 6 of my thumbnails. All right, they need fixing. All right, so I have to change the way. I just uploaded this one this morning, and the thumbnail already picked it. Well, I have to actually go either use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can do thumbnails with either of those two, but I always do my thumbnails with TubeBuddy because I'm used to with TubeBuddy. So it's your choice. These are just picked out from the video itself. So I actually have 6 I have to fix, but that's not going to take very long to do. So I will go back after I'm done with this video, creating it for you guys. I am actually going to fix my vidIQ channel audit. So I also have to check these 10 videos I have. The end screens, they're missing. They're probably brand new. I haven't gone back to fix it. And then this one is the cards. And everything else is fine. My description length is good. My tags are good. Your videos have enough playlists on average. So this pretty much vidIQ monitors your traffic. It helps you gain more views. As you can see, I have increased since in the last couple months. I have like almost 40,000 minutes watched already. Like as compared to last month, it was almost 13,000. My subscribers went up, and my views went up. Look at that. Last month was almost 7,000, not quite, but then now it's kind of like tripled, I guess, because it's 20,000. And it's all going up, guys. So I guess I could do my stats for you guys. I'm gonna show you my achievements. I do now have 30,000K. All right. What is the date today? Today's the 19th. So I think on the 12th I posted, I had 20,000 views. Now it is October the 19th. It's almost the 20th. Well, I was gonna do an update tomorrow, but since I'm making this video, I might as well share it with you all that I do have now 30,000K. I have over 100 subscribers, over 150 uploads. Actually, add 18. 18 is not active, so it's almost close to 200. I had 800 hours watched last. I think the last time I posted was 800 hours. I do now have 900, and I'm on my way to 1,000 soon. So I guess I'm doing great. And then I have 10,000 views on Wesley Virgin's #1 video right now. So okay, guys. All right, that is my updates, and I've given you guys some tips and tricks how to draw traffic to your channel. I hope I was here to help you guys. So get started, get ready, and do what is necessary to do to increase more views, get more people to stay longer on your YouTube channel. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. See you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.